Welcome back to Lesson Plant Kitchen. I'm Grant and I cook plants. I'm an educator turned vegan. Today's lesson, we're going to look at how to make fakin' bacon bits from textured vegetable protein. You only need 6 ingredients for this: 1 serving of TVP, light soy sauce, olive oil, smoked paprika, black pepper, and liquid smoke. They're perfect to complement tofu scrambles, macaroni bowls, and summer salads. Add the wet ingredients to the TVP. I tend to go light on the soy sauce and olive oil, but that's up to you and your health needs. Now add the black pepper and smoked paprika to taste. Snap on a lid and give it a good shake. Microwave for 15 to 30 seconds, and then dump it out on whatever food you're currently craving. Thanks for watching and enjoy. To find nutrition info and references for the creation of this recipe, visit lessonplantkitchen.com or check out the description.